Welcome to the future. A future where, thanks to the latest technology, learning becomes a more immersive, interactive, and real experience. There is no physical risk whatsoever. You are able to increase the level and depth of your training, maximizing your knowledge acquisition. You can learn wherever and whenever you want without the need to move. So now, sit back and prepare to experience learning taken to a new level. Welcome to Endesa's Energy Control Center. Endesa Energy Control Center handles the technical and economic operation of the power plants with both economical and quality of service criteria. The control center manages the day-ahead market, harmonized for the whole interconnected Europe. Real-time plant outages, renewable and demand deviations, intraday trading of electricity and the balance markets used for equilibrating generation and demand. In addition, the operators at the control center are in charge of the plant schedule dispatching, the operating of the automatic generation control, and the monitoring of the unit's schedule's fulfillment. Finally, the Energy Control Center has an active participation in the system restoration process. The Control Center monitors and controls 18 thermal units, 7 combined cycle units, 2 of them in Portugal, 4 nuclear units, 6 pumping storage plants, and 152 hydro basins, adding up to a total of 250 units. In addition, Endesa Systems monitors 3 shared nuclear units. Dispatching services are provided to 72 wind farms, 12 hydraulic plants, 5 photovoltaic plants, and 2 cogeneration plants, with a total of 1,675 megawatts of installed capacity. Among these, one of the most impressive hydraulic plants in Susqueda. Fasten your seatbelt and let me take you there. Welcome to Susqueda, the power of gravity. Hydropower provides almost 20% of the world's energy supply. It is a clean, renewable source of energy, which requires regular rainfalls to function. Spain is home to many dams and rivers. The River Ter alone supplies an average of 623 cubic hectometers to Susqueda's dam. Water is naturally stored on the mountains in the form of snow, but it can also be artificially stored with dams. Dams allow us to control the water flow during high precipitations and avoid flooding in Girona and its surrounding areas. We use the gravitational potential energy of the mass of water as it falls 163 meters from the upper levels of the dam. This energy is converted using France's turbines to generate up to 86.3 megawatts. This is as much as 180 gigawatts hour every year. This outstanding arch dam, 135 meters in height, was built between 1963 and 1967 and required approximately 662,000 cubic meters of concrete to hold 215 cubic hectometers of water. At Endesa, we believe innovation is the driving force behind all progress. Our Escuela de Ventas y Atención strives to be at the forefront of the latest training trends, leaning heavily on innovation. We use new technologies such as virtual reality in order to maximize knowledge acquisition and create risk-free environments to train, allowing experimentation to become our chief source of learning. Thank you all for sharing this journey with us. We hope you enjoyed it.